I'll make you be fain to follow me. I'll make you be eager to follow me. First three verses traditional, meaning we don't know who made them up. And the fourth added to fill out the form by Robert Burns. That's the verse beginning, come try my knapsack on your back. As late by a soldier a chance it did pass, I heard in the curtain a bonny young lass, my hinny, my life, my dearest go he, I'll make you be fain to follow me. Can I should follow you, a poor soldier lad, he'll ken all my cummers would think I was mad, for battles I never shall long to see, I'll never be fain to follow thee. To follow me, I think ye may be glad, up here to my supper, up here to my bed, up here to my bed, wherever it be, I'll make you be fain to follow me. Come try my knapsack on your back, along the King's High Gate we'll pack, between St. Johnston and bonny Dundee, I'll make you be fain to follow me. So what have we here? The tune is from Robert Bremner's Scots Reels or Country Dances, 1757. I believe that was Burns' source for the tune. It's also in Oswald called I'll Make You Be Fond to Follow Me, but that tune doesn't really scan with these words, that variant of it. But it's an old tune. It was first published in 1731. All these tunes are old at this point. And Joseph Mitchell's Highland Fair, a ballad opera using Scots melodies. So, from the old song, we have it from Hurd's manuscripts. Burns fixed up one line, which was I think ye may be glad, a part of my supper, a part of my bed, and to lie with me, I'll make you be fain to follow me. It's not so great to rhyme me with me, or maybe his publisher wouldn't publish Lie With Me, I don't know. The Scots Musical Museum was where it was published in 1790. But in the manuscript we have, the old manuscript we have of that melody from David Hurd's manuscripts of that melody, of those words, those first three verses, it's I'll make you be fain. And in both of the tune books, it's I'll make you be fain, but Burns changed it to I'll mak you be fain. More Scottish, but more to the point, it's something he rhymed into in his last verse to really emphasize that mak. It kind of makes it explode. It goes, come try my knapsack on your back, along the King's High Gate we'll pack, between St. Johnston and bonny Dundee, I'll mak you be fain to follow me. Beautiful poetry, and he loved climactic endings. He liked to increase his linguistic effects, assonance, alliteration. In this case, Johnston, bonny, follow, build up of sounds. He was like a painter uses color, he used sound. Burns. Absolute insanely poetic genius. It was just effortless for him to just spin gold. In fact, his early drafts are better than when he tried to revise them out of his head. He just described his state of inspiration as I am in song in one of his letters. He got inspired in the autumn. Anyway, he fixed this up to be published in Scots Musical Museum. It's number 268. And their musical editor liked to make things his own. He was a church organist from Durham, England, and he liked to castrate the Scots melodies at every turn. So in this case, instead of using this, he took that little rhythmic kick out of it. Worse, these wonderful skips. Bum, ba, 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 ba. That's so good. Here's what he did with that. Ba 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 ba. Nice work, Stephen Clark. Jackass. Also, there's a second ending there, which is not in the Scots Musical Museum. Just a lazy son of a bitch. And people have failed to correct this and go back to the source, Burns's source books for the tunes for 235 years. That's why I've been at this for 10 years, and there will eventually be a book. I don't want to rant too much here, but I want to mention that high gate means highway or the high road. Gate means the way or the road in Scotland. So like they say the Watergate Hotel, that means the River Road Hotel. A water was called, they called a river a water. A gate is a way. So, what else is in here? Ilk ain o' my cummers would think I was mad. Each one of my circle of female friends would think I was mad if I followed you. She doesn't say she doesn't want to. She says, what would people think? So he presses on. One more little comment, just because it occurred to me while I was learning this. These parts are so low and so high for the voice. And the first part, it's the man and the woman answers. And the second part, it's the man, and then Burns still has the man on the B part. He might have missed a bet there. Might have written a verse for the woman there. But not to quibble too much, but I'll discuss it with Burns after I die. I have a few questions for him. Yeah. Be well. Please subscribe to my channel. There's a playlist called Songs of Burns.